Nyame adom pa.
I don't know yet on catches.
Me say o say me bo nyom man grofo. Dey bia me bo nyom.
Okay, so Rebecca say o to ho kakra. I no say bam. I didn't know ma o saram.
I mean, musician be alive, you know. Sometimes there are breaks, what I say. It's normal because this year my 20th year. My bro, like I've done a lot, 20 years of music. So sometimes I saw the okwe chiri kakra. Now we are the ocean no man. But Ofori Amposah is back to stay. Thing same way, you know. So being an opportunity to say that lumba edo Ofori Amposah eba na. Baby or the buy the huri na jina nako. So want me huri e wa like what I say. So like if there is anything, and I'm a fault because I try to help. Yeah, we be on mwakra, and I feel say yeah I unfortunate. Obi boa me kakra, and I'm just here. What I say. So people are no hurry. I mean, and yet me na me started enyum to. Or started enyum no obi na there to enyum. Answer na me be who no feature me. So well, ebi a me dey na hate into no kasa. But nyame adwuma na maye.